Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use keyboard shortcuts in Power BI Desktop. If you want to open the navigation pane using a keyboard shortcut, press ctrl plus F6. This will allow you to easily navigate the navigation pane. Right now, I am pressing ctrl plus F6 and as you can see, it takes me to the filter pane. If you press enter, the pane will expand. If you want to search within the navigation pane, press enter. Additionally, if you press the Alt key on your keyboard, it will enable all shortcut key indicators on the ribbon. For example, if you want to expand or hide the ribbon, press Alt plus XR. Pressing the same combination again will toggle it back. Let me know if you find these shortcuts useful in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.